Okay, so this is the third puzzle of this series. So what is given in this? 8%. Okay, these are got appointment on 10th or 15th, a different month from March to June. Okay, not more than 2% got appointment on same month, only 1% got appointment on each date. We got appointment on. From here the condition starts. So I'm making the required diagram for this first. Okay, so I would like to suggest you that you also make like this, same like this. Okay, in exam do not write the dates. If date are 3 and 4 now, in only in that condition you write. Okay, otherwise you just try just by directly. Okay, also practice without date. So how now start this. We got appointment on the we got appointment in a month which has odd days. Mean we will come in 31 days month. So this is 31, this is 31, this is 30, this is 30. So we got appointment on these date. There were 4% got appointment between V and S. 4% will come between V and S. Okay, P got appointment before S. P got appointment before S. So 1 minute, we can shift this little bit down. Okay, so what was the condition? P got appointment before S. P got appointment before S, but not in month of March. Q got appointment in the month which has even number of days. In Q will come in 30 days month. Okay, 3% got appointment between Q and T. 3% between Q and T. Okay, R got appointment before U. R got appointment before U. Both of them got appointment in month which has odd number days. Odd number days means these both will come in 31 days. W did not get appointment on 10th of any of the month. Mean W will go in only on 15th of month. 15 date. He did not got appointment just before S. Mean W also should not be just before S. Okay, remember this. W should not be. So we will merge this. Not do not write a lot of condition. Just try to merge as much as you can. So okay. After this, just before S, T got appointment in one of the month before the month in which Q got appointment. So once again, I'm reading this. T got appointment in the month which is before the month in which Q got appointment. Means T should before the Q na. So it means this, in this condition we can write like this. Okay, T should be before Q. Okay, after this P did not got appointment just before S. Okay, also P should not be just before S. P should not be just before S. Remember this. Done. Okay, so we have written all the condition. Now just try to start the condition which will cover most of the space. Maximum space which is covering now. Here if you see this condition, this is covering how many places? 3 plus 2 means 5 places it will cover. But if you talk about this, it will cover how many places? 4 plus 2 means 6 places it will cover. So we will just try to start with this puzzle. Okay, so we also if you're trying with this possibility na, this condition na, also keep in mind the related conditions. Okay, so V should be in 31 days month and S should be after 4 places. So tell me, is V possible here? Is V possible here? If I write V here, suppose if I write V here, then after skipping 4 places I also have to write S. There is no place for S. There will no place left for S. Okay, now if I write V here, then is S possible? Okay, however I will write S here, but where that P go? Where then P will go? Because P should be upside of S now. So it means V is not possible in these in this my month. Okay, so we will go definitely in this March, because this is the another month which has 31 days. After skipping 4 places, S will be there. Okay, and P should be 1 minute. We can merge this condition. We can merge this condition like this. Okay, we can merge now. P should not be immediate above S. So we have written this. Now where P can come? P should not be in March. P should not be in March. Okay, when P cannot come here, but P should be upside of S. So here 3 possibilities are there, and here 4 are there. Okay, so okay, 1 minute, not 3, only 2 are there now, because P cannot come here. So P either will be here or here, and in this 3 possibilities are there. So we are not going with this now. Once hold it. Okay, we have used this. up to here, this part we have used. Now check the condition which has the second maximum, which is covering the second maximum space. Okay, this is not a final rule. Okay, this is just a clue which will help you a lot in solving a puzzle, So second, the maximum, the condition which is covering the second maximum space, that is this condition. Okay, so if we start with this, t should be in 30 days month. Okay, and about 3 skipping 3 places, t should be there. So I am definitely sure that q will not go here. How? Because where t will go then? Okay, so definitely q will go here, then skip 3 places, write t here. Similarly we can make here now, we can make this 2 possibility. Guys, remember always now, do not think a lot of just because before making the other possibility. Why? Because the time which you will give in thinking, within the less than that time you can make the other possibility. Like how many variable are there? Only one variable. No, not 2 3 variable are there now. Just do not think a lot of, just start immediately, write and just do it fast. Okay, I'm just explaining just because of that. Maybe it is taking longer. So now check the other conditions. Okay, no any other condition which is covering the third maximum. We can now one by one we have to check. So p should not be in March. P should not be in March. Okay, I think I have raised one condition. T also have written, no? Okay, so now we can erase it. So p should not be in March. So if p should not be in March, then definitely I can say that p will be here, because these both places were for p at that time we talked. Okay, p will not come here. P either can come here or p will go here. So now we can erase this condition. Now we can erase this condition because p cannot come immediately before s. Now u should be r should be above u, and these both should be in 31 days month. Now check where is this possible. This is possible. One minute. This is also given that w is possible only on 15, because as we have already written. So which condition we can use first? Check. I think we can use this. Why? Because most of the places are covered, and we will check the 15 number date. Okay, so how the date are not written, but how we will imagine here, mean like this is 10, this is 15, in this order you check. Okay, so we want 15 date is free. So here it is not possible, no space. Here it is available, space is available now. So w will go here in this condition. W will be written here available, no, not available, not available, available. So here are 2 possibility for w. Here are 1. Okay, and not possible, only 1. So it means w will confirm come here. So now let's check the other. So 1 minute, we can write w here now. Just by putting slash we can write w. So just write w and put a slash. So now we can erase this condition. Okay, and one more thing, as what was the condition? W should not be immediate above s. So here if you see this condition, w is immediate above s, it means this is wrong. This condition is wrong. Now 2 conditions are left, one of these will be correct. So now u and r are left. So r should be above u, and these both should come in 31 days month. So where we can write? So if we talk about this condition, here 2 places are left of 31 days month, these 2. If I erase w from here, only in that condition I will be able to place this 2, r and u. Okay, then according to that this w will be confirm here. And if we talk about this, which places are left, this is final, this is not optional, mean okay either, mean this is final. This w will definitely will be here, and here only one place is left of 31 days month. Here this is of 30 days month. So it means this is wrong, this is right. This will be our final answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Give your comments, do you like the video or not? Okay.